Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Unwatched Recipes channel. I chopped the veal long to make a Turkish iron sheet roast with vegetables. This dish is normally cooked on iron sheets like this. The name of the dish comes from here, but I use a large pan because I will cook it in large quantities. I will use cow oil. As you can see, this is animal tallow. I will use these bones to prepare marrow bone broth. Don't throw away bones and joints. I fill the bones in the pot. I add boiling water and boil the bones for 10 minutes and change this water. After boiling, I pour the water, wash the bones and add boiling water again. I add bay leaves, salt, black pepper, garlic, 3 onions, 3 carrots. I fill the water completely. It should boil like this for at least 4 hours. I will wash the meat with boiling water. I add boiling water and boil for 5 minutes. This is how we get rid of the blood in the meat, and the result will be clean meat. You can keep the hot meat in a container to breathe. Now I add it to the stove to heat a large pan. Chopping animal fats. I add a little sunflower oil and fry the animal fats well. I add the meat when the oils turn pink. I'm roasting the meat. On high heat, you can continue this mixing process for about 10 minutes. Some black pepper, cumin, salt, sugar, ginger. You can add paprika. I add some boiling water, and on low heat it will be 5 hours or 3 hours total cooking time. I will add bone broth as soon as the juice is drawn. This detail is very important for it to be delicious. I chop the onions long the same way I chop the meat. Some garlic. I'm removing the seeds from the peppers. These peppers are not hot. I chop the peppers the same way. I checked the bone broth. It has been boiling for 3 hours. I chopped the carrots long, we can say finger-shaped. I chopped the potatoes with the same finger shape. Meat continues to cook for 1.5 hours. I peel the tomatoes. I cut the peeled tomatoes into half moons. I mix it well so that the collagen in the bone penetrates the water. Now we can add the bone broth to the meat. This event will make roasting very tasty. The meats were done on low heat for 2 hours. Now I add the onions and close the lid and cook the onions on the meat with steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I add the carrots and again I will close the lid and wait for 10 minutes. I add some more bone broth. When the carrots are soft, I add the potatoes. I will wait another 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes passed and now I'm blending the roast all the way through, gently mixing it. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I always try to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. I need to buy a car. You can leave a tip, support me. I add the peppers and tomatoes and wait 10 minutes. Yes, now I want to add a little more flavor to the work. I add the roast to the baking tray and I will lightly fry it in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. I add thyme after taking it out of the oven. Since a layer of flavor has formed on it, no steam is coming out, but you can be sure that it is very hot inside right now. Look as you see how steam comes out. This dish is a Turkish iron sheet roast, but we made a version with vegetables, onions, peppers and tomatoes are added in the normal version. I added carrots and potatoes. I think it was very tasty. Garlic and bone broth made it very tasty. If you want to try, apply the same techniques and as a result, it will be soft, healthy and delicious. You can be sure that you will have a delicious meat dish. See you in a new uninteresting video. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.